Hey, this is CopperCarver, and today we are going to be doing the unboxing on the Govee COB Strip Light Pro. So this is a light that came out not too long ago. It's essentially one long strip of a bunch of tiny LEDs, which makes it look like one strip. I want to say that it's actually 1,260 LEDs per meter. Pretty crazy. This is able to be extremely bright. I want to say it's really thin, thinner than the desk rope light, the desk light that goes over the desk. So that is really cool. But yeah, let's open this up. I think I know where I'm going to place it, which is going to be in my wife's area. I think I'm going to move the floor lamp Pro, which I really love, into a different area. And I will set this over there because this is able to do the warm and white lights really bright, which is what I use the floor lamp Pro for. I'm actually using a brand new camera that I got, so I'm still tinkering with everything. So I apologize if the settings aren't quite right. The quality is supposed to be better. I actually got a new mic too, but it stopped working, so I'm using my older mic. Let's go ahead and get into this. Oh, I also have pneumonia and bronchitis right now, so if I don't sound the greatest or look the greatest, that's why I'm pushing through it. I'm on some meds right now and I'm feeling like making a video. Let's do this end. And right in the box we have a wonderland of colors. So this right here is all the typical stuff that you expect to come with most Govee products. You got your user manual. This is Matter supported, works with Google and Alexa as well, so you can use voice control. And here we go. The light, this one is 9.8 feet long, and then they have a 16.4 feet long one. And here it is, right here, wrapped up real nice. And man, I can tell you right away, this is thin. This is very thin, very lightweight. See what we got right here. So this is white. I want to say they only have a white version. I don't think they have a black version. But yeah, there it is right there. We'll lay it out, plug it up, tinker around with it on the app as well. Take a look at some scenes. Right here, we have what looks like the plug, the little box. Looks like, oh, a little end cap for wherever you cut it. You can cut this, I want to say every 8 centimeters or 8 inches or something like that, but you can cut this. And right here is the plug itself, clean and white. Looks like a decent length, so you can definitely put it wherever and hopefully be able to reach your plug. Anything else in the box? No. And it's kind of a neat box, how it's round. I'm used to the square boxes, but yeah, let me open it up and we will take a closer look at it. Okay, so we are now going to plug this in. I hope it turns to rainbow mode right away because I always love when they do. So let's plug this in. There we go. Yes, rainbow mode right away. Look at that. That is so bright. I hope that it is not blinding you right now. Oh man, that is so clean. This thing is so flexible too. So that's something else that it has a sticky adhesive on the back, so you can set it wherever, but man, look how nice that is. Okay, now that I have this on, this looks phenomenal. Let's connect this to the app. We'll take a look at some of the scenes that are in there just while we scroll through. Then we will put this up and we'll take a look at some of the scenes together. Okay, so I have the app right here. I'm going to click plus on the top right. Look at that, pops up right away. So I'm going to click add. It is now connecting. I've got to short press the on and off buttons, so let's do that. Okay, I'm going to click done. I connect to Wi-Fi. After connecting to Wi-Fi, what's really cool is that there was a upgrade ready right away. I absolutely love when they do that. After some time, the upgrade completed. Here we go. Here's the menu: color, scene, music, Squarespace, DIY, finger sketch, AI, all the typical stuff that you see on a Govee app. All the different colors right here. Let's look at scene. Feel free to pause at any point. I'm just gonna scroll through some of the scenes real quick. Of course, they always have so many scenes, and that's one of the best highlights about Govee is all the different light functions. So let's take a look real quick. Okay, we have our music, which we'll take a look later at the scenes that reacts to music. We have our share space. It's kind of like a social app where you can add different things. Luckily, the DIYs that you use for your rope lights and things like that can also save in here. So that is awesome. You got your finger sketch for customization. Then you have your AI. This is where you can ask it to make certain color schemes for you. On here we have timer, snapshot, workshop, different things like that. Our effect lab, so that is awesome. On our settings, we have preset, length calibration if you cut it, lane control, and just some other information about it, but a very solid app control for it. Now that I have everything connected, let's go ahead and put this behind my wife's desk. I'll admit, we're going to have to move some things around. It may be a bit of a mess at first, but no, I'm excited to do this. So yeah, let's get started.
Put the team on my back, never fold, never crack. The wolf always roll with a pack. Now tell me how you like that. Put the team on the map, bridging and filling the gap. Never fold, never crack. Now tell me how you like that. We breaking the mold and aiming for gold. We here to take everything, even your soul, yo. Tell me how you like that. We live and we grow, obsessed with the green. I'm Willem Dafoe. We deal with the foes and turn them to ghosts, yo. Tell me how you like that. How you like that? Ready for the smoke with my team like Drax. Let's see if they really how they seem on the app. I see them on the street, they don't know how to act. Let's lay a trap, playing it cool, but it's part of the strap. Watch how they react, we throwing cheese at the rats. Yeah, we know they easy to catch, show me the stats. I've been in the game for a minute, it's different, I had to adapt. I came with the boom bap, sticking to raps, but it put a limit on what I attract. Let's go with the facts, we all got potential that's going untapped. If you don't attack, I do it for me, my team, my family tree. Tell me how you like that. Put the team on my back.
This is madness. This is
Well, that is the Govee COB Strip Light Pro. I do apologize that y'all can only see some of it in the video shot because it is behind my wife's desk and the angle for recording it is a little tough, but I think y'all get a sense of what it looks like. Super bright, super thin. The white is great. The warm light is great. I love my placement of it. And I believe even right now it's on sale for about $80. I want to say it's normally $90 to $100. There is a longer length one. I will say a mistake I made is I was so excited to put it up. I just started at the top and worked my way down. However, if you want to cut it, you cut it from the top end opposite of where the power strip is. So what I should have done is measured it first with the power cord side at the bottom and then cut the top, but since I didn't, it kind of hangs off the bottom a little bit. I still have it secure, but it comes down into the left a little bit, but that's okay. It still looks good. I guess that's one of the only downside to adhesives is honestly, once you pull it off, you have to buy more adhesives to make it work. But anyways, yeah, this is CopperCarver. I'm still trying to work out this new camera and figure some stuff out, so I hope it looks great. I may see about getting a wider lens so I can kind of show more. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoy this product. I have a couple more products I'm going to be reviewing soon. So thank y'all. Please like, share, subscribe, and have a good day.